Hello and welcome to the test track, and this is a different test track featuring the fitting of a 21 pin decoder into a Bachmann class 416 2-card DMU set. Hopefully the battery won't run out, so I've got a lot left. Now, what's that tanker doing on the test track? Well, it's going to be used as a way of highlighting this where the decoder goes in. I've already got the body off the unit, the motor unit. That's what you have to do to fit the decoder, so I didn't want to film that. It's unnecessary. It just unclips. It's really easy to get this off. Just some little clips. I'll just turn it over so you can see. Let's get my screwdriver, and you're looking at these. See these plugs? Oh, if I can get the camera on it. There, that one. All these inside the Bachmann body shell. Right, hold this on, and they fit inside these. All right. Focus these. All right. So all you do is get the screwdriver under there, under each side. Get a number of screwdrivers, get 3 or 4, lever it out, and this will come out. What I will say is on the body shell I would start here. There's a convenient sort of lug space, all right, but that's for you to find out. It just clips back on, so we've omitted that. So what we're going to do, this is fitted with a 21 pin decoder with a blanking plate. I've already fitted my driver in there as well, I might add. So all we need to do is to take the blanking plate out, carefully line it up and fit. This is, in this instance, a Lay's 21 pin decoder, which retail for about 12 quid from somewhere like Digitrains of Lincoln. They stock these, and they run perfectly with these. You don't have to take any resistors out or anything. So I'm going to plonk you down there on top, like that. And we're going to turn her over like this, and you can see from the side how this decoder blanking plate fits in. So I'm going to carefully use the screwdriver to lever it off. You see that lifting? It is already loosened off, but when you take it off you can carefully do it each side. Let's do the other side. Lever it off carefully each side with a screwdriver, alright? Just like that, nice and even. Alright? You can probably get your fingers on there now because it's so loose. Just pull the blanking plate off, alright? Now, we'll put that up like that. Now, something I want to point out, if we can zoom in, hopefully. Right, so 21 pins on this Bachmann, but there's actually 22 holes. Just there, this end, there's a missing pin, right? So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. There's a missing one there, right, in that hole. It's also on the corresponding blanking plate. If you turn it over, you can see there's a missing hole there. So if you was going to refit this blanking plate, that means it will go that way round, back into the slot like that, all right? And just carefully line them up. But we don't need this. Keep this, and in case anyone wants to run it on DC again, not DCC. Right, let's have a look at our lace one. Turn it over. This is the way we're going to fit this, okay, with the words lace on the top. But it's going to go around this way, in, right, this way round. Going that way round, all right. Going to fit in there. So what do? We said that the missing pin is there. There's actually 22 space for 22 pins, but one's missing, making it 21 pins going down here, all right? That's what we said. So here's your lace DCC decoder from this side, And the missing hole, I'll get my screwdriver, is there. There's no hole there. So that means if you just flick it up that way, it's got to go in on top this way. So best way to line this up, just line it up like this. So see the pins there, get it over the top like that, slide it on. Can you see? There. Now before you press it down, you've got to make sure it's lined up. So before you press it on, just spin it over to the side and have a look. Now I think I can see this may not be on properly. Or is it? Let's have a little look. Now I'm not happy with that. That's not in alignment. And I'm not even showing you on the screen, am I? Where are we? Right, here we go. That's not lining up. I don't think that's lining up. I think that needs to come over just a slight touch more up. So that's because you can't afford to bend these and put them down wrong. Now that's gone in, see? That's now in alignment. All right, check it from the side. Oops, make sure it's going on nice and level. Turn it over, check that side. All right, there's nothing out of alignment, and then just press it home. That's what we've got to do. Press it home with your finger, and that is now on. All right, you can do that if you want. That is on. Right, what will you do now? I'll take this off of here. I'm just going to take the tank off because it's going to short out the test track. Right, so come out of it.